Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga ho sa ating lahat, especially to all my organic followers around the world, no? Especially to all our followers in the United States of America, Russia, China, Middle East countries, and many others, mga kaibigan. That we are here today, we are temporarily to sleep here in Donald's Haven Pension House of Tandag City, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much for accommodating these types of accommodations, mga kaibigan. It's so comfortable. Hindi naman tayo ganun ka social, no? Because we are not social, we are not rich, we are not mayaman, mga kaibigan. And then we are here, that I am here today, mga kaibigan. It is because we have a lot of transactions here in the in Tandag City, Surigao. So I am here to be with you right now, mga kaibigan, to inform you that there is a lot of people out there who are bashing us, and they are criticizing everybody out there. Just to remain silent, remain relaxed, everything now and then, mga kaibigan. It is not good for us as a Filipino citizens of this country. So we are a good Filipino, law-abiding citizens of the Philippines. Just do it ourselves, just mind our business, mga kaibigan. And do not hesitate for those people who are doing bad things in our society to report at nearest police stations. Do not post on the social media, because social media, it is not called for to solve promptly for any situations done in our society. Just report in the nearest police stations, just report in nearest agencies to help for us, especially the barangay. Just report in your barangay and then just do it, no, mga kaibigan. It is not good for us. They are bashing, they are talking in the social media, because that's not a good mindset of the law-abiding citizens Filipino of this country, mga kaibigan. Just I am here today to be with you. I am not good. I am not good as to be expert on that, mga kaibigan. But I am here to be with us. That everything must be okay. Is gonna be okay if we are not doing to criticize everybody out there. Especially we are here today. Just be happy, mga kaibigan, just to follow the flow of life. Just follow what is the flow of life, mga kaibigan. That is most very important. It is because if we are not going to follow that certain rules in life, and then it's hard for us to understand what is the purpose of life of this universe, no? Just going to the flow everywhere. That's life.